Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I'm gonna show you one of the coolest pieces of technology I ever reviewed on this channel. And just pretend for a moment you didn't read the title and you don't know what this is. I press this button and it takes like 20 seconds, but super cool, you don't have to do it on your own. This is called the AEKE K1 Smart Home Gym and is meant to be an all-in-one solution to train at home. I have been going to the gym for years, usually 4-5 times per week lifting weights. So I am not an expert, but I am sure I am in a good position to discover if this machine can replace gym or at least supplement it for when you are in a hurry, you don't want to leave the house, and can you still train at home? But first, let's talk about the hardware. The machine comes completely pre-assembled inside a very big and heavy box. You will need help moving it around. Unboxing, you can do it on your own. It's very easy, you just unwrap the cardboard from around it. The bench I am sitting on is an optional accessory and it comes in a different box. The machine needs to be placed indoors, ideally on smooth pavement, because it has little wheels that it uses to unfold the footboard and also you can use to move the machine around on your own. The materials are incredibly premium. Everything you see is made of metal, except of course this rubberized footboard and this bench which has a very soft padding. Everything else metal. Metal frame, which provides a very strong support for the screen and doesn't let it bend. And at the back is all made of metal as well, except this case here which is made of plastic. It has very strong stereo speakers and a 43-inch 4K screen which doubles as a mirror so you can see yourself. The screen is not incredibly bright, but again is meant to be indoors. As AO at the back you have the power in with a switch, USB 3.0 and a USB-C. You can use them for charging the accessories. At the side you have the power button and the footboard fold button. Folded up, the machine doesn't take much space, but of course you will need a little bit of room around it when you use it. And the same applies to the bench, which folds flat when you're not using it. At the heart of this machine there are these two hooks with pulleys. They are connected to a couple of motors inside that simulates the weight. And it can simulate a weight, an elastic band, or even different kinds of loads. It's really interesting. I'm gonna show you later how it works. You get a bunch of accessories with this machine. Everything feels super strong, made of metal and nice in the hand. First of all, and the most important accessory probably, is the smart handles. These have Bluetooth connection, USB-C for charging, and they allow you to start and stop the weight with a press of a button. Very useful and safe. Then there is the smart barbell, which is super solid feeling, is made of metal, it has some embossing so you don't slip on it. And this hooking system has a latch to allow it to move and shift the balance of your exercise. You also have this attachment which slots on the barbell and lets you start and stop the weight. These are ankle straps to train your legs. You get a Bluetooth fitness band that has a HR reading connecting directly to the machine so you can see live data. These are replacement cords for your weights. And lastly, you have a magnetic cover for the gym camera. You cannot see it, but there is a camera at the back of this mirror. You can put this cover on top and also move it aside and leave access to the camera. You can also get the smart body fat scale, which connects Bluetooth to your machine, to your phone. You can use it independently and is one of the best, most precise I ever seen, because not only it measures through your feet, but also through your hands. It runs current through all your body and the results are much more precise. The bench is an optional accessory that you can get bundled. It elevates the experience and it's very easy to unfold. You just press on this clasp, fold one, and it locks. Press here, unfold. It's super well built, weighs a lot and is super sturdy. You press on this button back here, it unlocks the backrest. And then here you have another lever and you can see it slides always back. So whatever exercise you do, you are always in line with the weights. Very nice, you have the degrees marked up. And now that the sun is setting, I can finally show you the screen a little better. You have a 43-inch touchscreen. Let's log into my profile. This is the main page of the interface. The screen is quite big to frame, it's 16:9. You can see we have the profile up here, then if you drag down, you have a couple of settings, which is the brightness, which is at max. Then you have volume, and you have different volume for the system, music, and the voice. Bluetooth connection to all of the devices, and Wi-Fi connection. If you click on your profile, you can change many settings. In preferences, you can change the settings about yourself. It's gonna ask you when you create the account. You can put the usual gender, birthday, height, weight, and what you wanna achieve with this machine. Then into settings, you have your unit, where you live, drop protection. If you drop the bar, it's gonna slow down the motors. Then you have the about section, where you can update the firmware and check for updates, which is the latest version. Down here you have the training section. You can do different things. You can join and follow workout plans based on what you want to achieve, and you have different categories for it. Courses is similar, but you have different categories because you can do strength, cardio, pilates, qigong, you can do yoga if you have a yoga mat. Then you have the stretching section, meditation is gonna guide you through all of these. And all of this is included lifetime without subscription. Then you have an AI coach. You just tell it what you want to do and it generates a course specifically for you. I want to muscle gain. For example, today I want to do shoulders. I want the training to last for less than 20 minutes, and you can even select which attachments you want to use and generate course. The AI is working, and boom, it gives you a few exercises that are good for today. And lastly, you have the free workout mode. Here you can either work out freely, it just applies weight and you can do whatever you want with the machine. Or if you are more expert, you already know the moves, you can do custom moves and personalize your sets. So let's add these. You see, you can personalize everything. Add one of these, add one of these, and you have many different movements for all of the body parts. Once you select a couple, you can do next, and you see, you create your training session. You can rename it. You have a keyboard on the screen, test, save, boom. If you swipe right, you go into the lifestyle section. Here you have games. Then you have VS mode, which is the multiplayer arena. You can compete against other people. You see, you can create rooms. Change the wallpaper of the machine when it goes into standby. Connect your phone to the Bluetooth speaker and use it as a home set. It's very, very powerful. You can screencast videos from your phone to the machine, especially when you train freely. You can watch videos while you train. And lastly, you have the tutorials on how to use the machine. And before starting to train for the first time, the best thing to do is doing the assessment, because the machine is gonna test you to learn your strength points and your weaknesses. You're gonna do body composition test thanks to the scale, then body posture, cardio endurance, flexibility, movement pattern, and strength. So when you do the exercises, you know how strong you are. These are my results. It looks like I'm not very good at cardio, but you can see a lot of information about yourself, about your body composition with the scale. This is super granular. See where you have muscle, see where you have fat, and your posture is gonna record. You see, I have a spinal abnormality, head tilt, and it tells you a lot of concerning factors about yourself, which usually you don't see. You see, knee hyperextension I have. This is really cool. I have a limited hip flexion, knees not fully extended, calves not vertical. I have a ton of issues here. And also extension. Extension, I am very good. This is the pattern. It says I have a shoulder imbalance because I always pull more on one side, and also my strength. My right chest is a little bit weaker than the left one, and this is my back, you see? My left side is weaker, I don't know why. But the machine is gonna train me to even out these problems. And now we can finally get a personalized program. I want to get muscle building plan. 4 weeks of duration, 3 days per week, muscle gain target. And boom, I can start my full body strength surge. I just need the smart grip, let's go.
Please stand 1.5 to 2 meters from mirror.
You see, it gave me some recommended weight based on the assessment I did before. So let's start doing these biceps. I need to turn on the weight. Boom, weight on. It gives you the waves you are doing, the wattage of every pull you make. This is the weight, you can adjust it on the screen and activate and deactivate it. And you have the coach showing you the exact movement. Also, the camera will look at you and tell you if you're doing the exercise right or wrong. At the top, you have the total calories of this exercise, calories burnt, and current heart rate. So how does the weight feel? Let me activate it, it's 20 kilo. Okay, gradually it starts activating them and it's really hard to hold it. Super cool. And I usually do it with 20 kilos, so I have a frame of reference. And it feels similar and different at the same time. Like I feel like it's easier to do it with a dumbbell. Oh my god. Because this motor is really strong and it feels a little bit more than 20 kilo. Or maybe it's just because it's a cable and a dumbbell, when you start, you are sliding it sideways. Instead, this thing is always pulling, no matter what direction you're pulling. So for sure it's enough to train. I can feel the warmth of my bicep already, also because I did a couple of takes. If you press on this symbol, you can change the configuration of the weight. Now we have constant force. You can go elastic right here at the end. Let's try. Now I have 15 kilos. And it's cool because it seems to be pulling an elastic band like this. Because the strength is lower on the bottom and higher on the top. We can also go concentric. This is harder to pull up than it is to pull down. Eccentric should be the opposite. Oh, it's super easy to pull up and then this can help you if you want to do some negative reps. And lastly, let's try rowing, which should be... It seems like the faster you pull, the harder it gets. If you go very slowly, it seems to be a row in the water, and if you go really strong, if you go really fast, it becomes super stiff. So you have a lot of ways to train your muscle and to change the effort you are doing, which you cannot do with dumbbells. So for sure, this is an advantage of this machine. The weights can be adjusted from 2 kilos all the way to 50 kilos per side, so a total of 100. And actually it feels a little bit more than 100 because I can totally bench 100 at the gym, while here I have some difficulty still because the motors are really strong. So I feel like everybody will be able to train on this machine, unless you are some kind of freak of nature. And it's time for my final opinion on this AEKE K1 smart home gym. Actually, I've been using it for a week. Some days I didn't feel like going to the gym. I wanted to try this machine and so I trained here. And I have to say my muscles didn't feel the difference from going to the gym. Actually, maybe even the opposite. Because it's a different kind of load. You are kind of copying what the instructor on the screen is doing. And you can feel your muscles really activate. Maybe I am just not used to this machine and I am very used to the gym exercises. So it's nice to switch it up a little bit. Testing it, I have been very impressed by all aspects of it, because first of all, it looks beautiful. It's actually a nice object to have at home, but it's not a toy. It has the strength to really let a big guy like me train, and I have still room to master this machine. Also, the UI feels super nice. I love the big screen with the mirror, and it gives you a ton of information about yourself, about your posture, about your strength, your training sessions. It's really granular, and it's good to have information, which I don't at the gym. I just get the iron in my hand and I pump, and you go out and you don't know how good you did. It's very nice to have the trainer in front of you, because first of all you learn to use this machine, but also you learn how to do the exercise properly and you really feel your muscles activate. Also because the camera looks at you, and if you do something wrong, it tells you stay straighter, breathe, do the exercise slower, and it's like having kind of a personal trainer. It's a nice bridge between a gym experience and having a personal trainer. Even people that never tried gym can go on this machine, watch a tutorial and start training from home. So can this machine replace gym? Probably it can. It's not gonna be the most optimal, but you can train most kind of muscular groups no problem, and there are a gazillion exercises you can choose from. Maybe the only one you cannot do is a pull-up, but just buy a $20 bar and you are set. You can start doing rows and then progress into doing a full pull-up, even if you are a beginner. There are also many other courses. You can do cardio, yoga, stretching, and Pilates, whatever you want. So if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to train at home that doesn't look ugly, it's really powerful, and also it doesn't take much space, this is a very good option. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but of course it's a high-end product. I just have a couple minor nitpicks about this machine. First of all, the screen is nice. It's nice that it's a mirror and you can see yourself while you train. But I feel like it should be a little bit brighter, because even if you place it indoor, but in front of a window, it's a sunny day, it's gonna be sometime hard to see what's on the screen, unless you really squint into it. And actually, remember, it looks way better in real life than it does on camera, but a little bit extra brightness wouldn't hurt. Second nitpick, they give you a ton of accessories, but no way to store them. There is no accessory to store them. And I wish they simply added a couple of hooks at the back of the machine so you could hang and store the accessories you are not using. Maybe they are gonna develop it because it has some holes and some mounting points around, and it will be a very quality of life improvement. And lastly, this is just a suggestion, but in software I would like to see not only stop and start the weight, but also maybe press twice to raise it, or press 3 times to lower it, because sometimes you are doing the exercise, you have to lay things on the ground, go here, raise it. Instead, you already have something in your hand you can use to control the interface. And that's all for today. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this machine, and if you wanna buy something, check out the links in the description down below, because not only you help this channel, but many times you also find discounts. Stay safe and happy training. Bye!